Oh man, today we're gonna answer a question I get asked every single day on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and beyond. And we're gonna put these two titans in the ring and see which one emerges as best for you. Should you pick PayPal Personal versus PayPal Business? Let's see what's best for you. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild coming at you from my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And hey, at any point in this video, if you like the products or the service I'm talking about, did you all a favor, put links in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out. Literally, no joke, I get asked this question every day on my YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter. And that's why it's important that I make this video for you. So let's get all the basic, boring, but very important information out of the way of what is the difference between PayPal Personal and Business. Now I'm gonna put a graphic here up on screen so that way you can see what the differences are, as well as put links in the notes below so that way you can take a deeper dive. But if you want me to catch you up to speed, the biggest differences between the two is that PayPal Personal is literally just for buying things or sending money. It comes with some slight fraud protection to help protect you, the user out there, for when you're sending money or purchasing things, whereas a PayPal business account allows you to accept debit and credit card payments, as well as send invoices, as well as a few other merchant provided services. And that's it, that's the speed version of the differences between the two. But Wild, what about the fees? They're the same. But Wild, what about the transactions? They're the same. But Wild, is there any difference in how it works? No, they're the same. Got it? Good. I'm so good at giving information. Well, what does this mean if you're a streamer out there on Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, Facebook, Gaming, DLive, and beyond, or you're a user or a viewer who uses those platforms to give out things like donations or tips or any type of support? How does a PayPal account affect you? Good question, whoever asked that out there. Allow me to answer it. Since we already addressed the fact that all PayPal accounts are the same, there's only really two big differences that I'm gonna bring to your attention that will affect the type of streamer that you are or type of person that you are. So number one is when you send money or donate money or give tips via PayPal service, if you use a personal account, it will show you your username that you put in there. And username equals your real name if you put that in there as your real name. So it's gonna show your first name and last name if that's what you put in for your username. And if it's PayPal, you most likely put in your real name. Number two is right below that. Right below your username / real name will be a small piece of information called your email. Now, depending on how you set up your PayPal account, this could probably be your personal email. Or if you're like me, you essentially just made an email that's a junk email that you put in there. PayPal doesn't care. As long as you have access to that email, you can put whatever email you have in there. And there you go. That's like the differences between the two if you're a streamer or user of streaming platforms. People may see your name and people may see your email address. Now, if you're a streamer or use streaming platforms out there and you want to keep your anonymity, or you want to keep yourself hidden, or you're an introvert and you don't want to share who you are just yet, a PayPal business account is going to be recommended for you, because that way you can hide those little tidbits of information. But just to let you know, a PayPal personal account doesn't mean you have to expose everything who you are. And to be honest, everybody's gonna know who you are on streaming platforms eventually, because you're probably gonna talk about yourself or other people in your community. Everybody knows my first and last name, and I do not hide my email address for my PayPal account. Feel free to send money to it. I would appreciate it. If you do use a PayPal personal account, I recommend just using a junk email because it will be exposed, and you can get this set up anywhere. Heck, use Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail. PayPal doesn't care. As long as you have access to that email address, that's all that really matters. Now, if you're already streaming and crushing it out there on Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, all those platforms out there, and you're like, hey, wow, I already have a PayPal personal account, but I want to hide who I am because, you know, I'm growing and I'm crushing it because of your videos, and you're welcome. That's okay. If you go into your settings, you can actually upgrade your personal account to a business account. It's actually a fairly easy process. Now, I have multiple PayPal accounts. I have personal and business ones for the reasons that are obvious. I have personal and I have business things that I need to take care of. Now, if you're a streamer out there that's kind of taken your stream to the next level and you sell merch or you sell art or you sell rights to your music or anything like that, you've thought beyond just the box that is your streaming platform, I would really recommend getting a PayPal business account because you will have those merchant services like accepting credit cards and debit cards. And if you're like me who's gone to TwitchCon and you've sold art, you're gonna have to be able to swipe credit cards or slide in chips so that way you can accept payments. And you're gonna want a business account for that because if you don't go through all of those needs there, PayPal will actually kind of red flag your account and they can shut it down momentarily till they figure out what's going on because you're going to see all these influxes of money going in and out of your account. And trust me, when you're making sales, you don't want your PayPal account to be frozen. Now, if you're a streamer out there and you plan on setting up a PayPal business account, there are a few extra hoops that you're gonna have to answer to PayPal to verify who you are. And if you have trouble on that and you want a video on how to set up a PayPal account if you're a streamer, do me a favor, leave me a comment below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Using PayPal and being a streamer can be a daunting task, but don't worry, I'm here to hold your hand and make you bigger and better as you increase with your streaming adventures. If you need any help on how PayPal works and setting up donations, don't worry, I got a video on that I'm gonna put up here on screen, as well as how to deal with PayPal chargebacks and disputes. I really recommend checking that out because at some point it's gonna happen to you. Thank you so much all for watching this video. I will see you all in my next video coming up real soon. Take care all and peace!